I gave myself 7 days, 5 side hustles, and one mission to find out which actually makes the most money in real life, not in some TikTok fairy tale. Spoiler alert, one of them nearly broke me, but another made more in 24 hours than I used to make in a week at my 9 to 5. Sound crazy? Good, because if you're tired of being broke, stuck, or left behind in a world sprinting toward wealth, this video might just change the way you think about income forever. Day 1. I listed a service on Fiverr, basic video editing. In 24 hours, I got one $15 order. Great start, right? But here's the kicker. I spent over 2 hours on it. That's $7.50 per hour. Hello, 2002 called. It wants its wage back. Day 2. I created and listed a Notion template. Zero design skills, just smart layout. I woke up the next morning, cha-ching, 3 sales. Passive, instant, beautiful. It felt like printing money while I slept, minus the felony. Day 3, time to hit the streets. Gas? Gone. Back pain? Absolutely. I made $89 in one evening, which sounds great, until you factor in wear and tear, traffic rage, and one guy who tipped me in life advice. Day 4, I posted 3 videos linking a trending gadget. 2 flopped, 1 went mini viral. Result, $114 in affiliate commission. Lesson, you don't need millions of views, just one video and the right product. Day 5 to 7, I launched a funny quote t-shirt using Canva plus Printify. The niche, nurses. The quote, Ivy drip, not gossip. 5 shirts sold in 2 days, profit $65 in inventory. No shipping, no stress. Pot isn't dead, it's just waiting for you to be clever. So, which side hustle made the most? The digital product and TikTok affiliate came out on top, not just in cash, but in leverage and freedom. But here's the real truth. 1 week won't change your life, unless it changes how you see time, money, and momentum. Want to know the real key to wealth? It's not hustle, it's compounding, small wins stacked daily. Tap the video on screen now to discover how the power of compounding can quietly turn your side hustle pennies into long-term wealth. Trust me, your future self will thank you.